Hi, this is Leetcode question, swap nodes in pairs. In this linked list we have, this is the first pair, so we need to swap these two nodes. And this is the second pair, so we need to swap these two nodes. And this is the output. Now to solve this question we need 3 pointers. P1 point to the first node in the pair, P2 point to the second node in the pair, previous points to the node previous to P1, initially it's null, and we set the head initially points to P2. This is the head because we are going to return linked list with this head. Notice that if the linked list is empty or if it has one node, we don't need to do anything, we just return the head. Now notice this order: previous, P1, P2. P1 points to the first node in the pair, P2 point to the second node in the pair, and previous. This is the previous of P1. We use this order always to swap any pair. Let's do the loop. So we keep iterating until P1 or P2 becomes null pointer. First, if previous, so previous is null pointer, so this condition doesn't apply. Now let's execute these two lines. P1 of next equal P2 of next. So P1 of next is this one. We make it points to P2 of next. Then we have P2 of next equal P1. P2 of next is this one. We make it point to P1. Now after doing this, the array becomes like this: 1, or here we have the head points to 2, then 2 points to 1, and 1 point to 3, 3 points to 4, and we still have previous. P1 points to 1, P2 points to 2. So we managed to swap the first pair. Now let's do this: previous equal P1. So we make previous equal P1 to be ready for the next iteration. P1 equal P1 of next. So this is P1 of next, and we make P1 points to this node. P2 equal P1 of next. So this is P1 of next. Now see this order again: previous, P1 points to the first node in the pair, P2 points to second node in this pair, and we are ready for the next iteration. If previous, yes, previous of next equal P2. So this is previous of next. So this is previous of next. We remove it and we make it points to P2. P1 of next equal P2 of next. P1 of next is this node. We remove it and we make it points to P2 of next, which is null, since this node is pointing to null. Now P2 of next equal P1. So P2 of next is equal P1. So we make this one points to P1 because this is P1. Now previous equal P1. This is previous. We remove it and we make it equal P1. So this is previous. P1 equal P1 of next. So this is P1, and now P1 of next is null pointer, which is this link. So P1 is here. So P1 is null, and this condition apply, and we break. And after this iteration, the linked list becomes like this: 2 pointed by head, then we have 1, then we have 1. Notice 1 points to 4, then 4 points to 3. P1 is null, P2 is still at 4 because we did not reach this statement here, and the previous point to this node. This is null, and that's it. We swap these two nodes and these two nodes. So in general, for every iteration, we have previous point to this node, and this is our pair with the first node. This is the second node, this is P1, P2. We swap these two nodes and we move to the next iteration.